see the changes that have come over me. These last few days I've been afraid I might drift away. I've been telling old stories, singing songs that make me think about where I came from. That's the reason why I seem so far away today. Let me tell you that I love you, that I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, you know that it will make me more than sad. Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. I have moved and I've kept on moving. I proved the points that I needed proving, and lost the friends that I needed losing, and found others on the way. I have tried and I've kept on trying. Stolen dreams was no denying. Traveled hard with my conscience flying somewhere in the wind. Oh, let me tell you that I love you, and that I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, it will make me more than sad. Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. But I'm steady thinking, my way is clear. I know what I will do tomorrow. The hands have shaken, kisses flow, then I will disappear. Oh, let me tell you that I love you, that I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, it will make me more than sad. Caledonia has been everything I've ever had. Breathing in your name, I wouldn't waste it on the air so thin. You're not here to hear it anyway. That's how these little prayers begin. See you every night. I say I love you every morning. Then till I'm with you, I just don't feel right. That's how these little prayers begin. Keep him safe, let him smile today. Bring him home, lead him from harm's way. 'Cause he means the world to me. His name is the air I breathe. Breathing in to sigh. I tell myself to shut up again. Breathing won't relieve my worried mind. That's how these little prayers begin. Keep him safe, let him smile today. Bring him home, lead him from harm's way, as he means the world to me. His name is the air I breathe. If every moment is a gift, then I won't waste it with regrets. I don't say prayers for anything else, and I don't believe in heaven or hell. If there's anybody out there to listen or care, grant me my wishes, these little prayers.